morning vlog. Happy Sunday. Wakey, wakey. Eggs and bakey. Wait. Come on, let's go downstairs. Let's get our day started. I'm so excited because I have these again. Cinnamon. I'm trying the cinnamon one this time. I tried the regular one last time. They're protein French toast sticks from Kodiak. They should not be allowed on the market. Like, that's how good they are, genuinely. Okay, here's my little cinnamon sticks. I'm actually so hungry, so I'm really excited that I'm making dinner. What? Breakfast. I think I'm gonna make it in my little Tillamook Creamery mug. You guys know the drill at this point. Nescafe Gold. Maybe 1 heaping teaspoon of that. Anyway, how are you guys today? How's your Sundays going? Well, if you're watching this, it's gonna be probably on Monday, but how's your day going? I hope it's going good. I just went through all of my makeup. I didn't even show you guys. I organized all of my makeup yesterday, like everything. And I found this cute little straw set from Benefit that I've never opened. So I'm like, why not use them today? A cute little pink straw. I'm gonna clean it, of course. Hi vlog, just updating. I finished editing my yesterday's vlog, which was the deep cleaning our entire house one, and it took me quite some time to edit because I had more than 30 clips, which usually I have like almost 10 per vlog. So I had like 3 vlogs in one basically, but I edited it all down to be like a montage because obviously it's cleaning and the clips are really long. But anyway, it's pouring down rain outside. I don't know if you can even tell. So it's just like super chill vibes, chill Sunday vibes. I'm trying to make a nap seem reasonable in my mind because that just sounds like the perfect thing to do. And yesterday I was so productive, so it's like I could realistically give myself a nap. I just don't know if I'm going to. Maybe I'll just rest my eyes. What everyone says before they take a nap. But yeah, I just wanted to update because this is pretty much what my Sunday has been so far, and obviously I want to have some vlog footage. Hope you guys have been enjoying the vlogs. We're almost 2 months in. That's crazy. Like, we're almost finished with 2 months. We're about to be on our 3rd month, which is insane, bro. To all the people that doubted me, stay doubting. Stay hating. I'm still going strong, baby. I'm still going strong. I haven't even missed 1 day of vlogging. I've missed 2 uploads, but I literally just uploaded the next day, so I don't know, pretty proud of myself. I love proving myself right. That's like my favorite thing to do. So I'm just waiting for the vlog to download to my phone so I can post it. But yeah, I'll let you guys know what I end up doing. But I have a feeling a little napsy poo is in my near future, if you know what I'm saying. Also, my skin is really badly breaking out. Not even in like an acne way, like a rosacea way. Like this is rosacea, or not rosacea, sorry. This is eczema. This is all eczema. This is where I get it the worst. And then I also get it right here, which is really bad too. It looks like a zit, but it's really eczema. So I gotta start taking care of my skin a little bit better. Love you guys. Okay, hi vlog. It's 3:30 now. I ended up taking a little nap and Trevor's home. Yay. We're about to go to the store because we're gonna get some food items for tonight. I'm really excited. I'm craving something specific and we're gonna go to the store to get it. So I'm really happy.
Checking out. Boom.
A lot of these.
Boom. Kitty. Had to get these for work. And onion. Q-tips for the cutie.
Okay guys, we just got back from the store. I'm gonna give you a little haul. Remember how I told you guys it was raining all day today? Well, I like layered the fuck up to go to the store and it's like almost 60 degrees outside. So I was sweating balls, bruh. Way too hot. We finally got eggs because everywhere we've been in the past couple weeks has been sold out of them. Got some Q-tips for my makeup because I ran out a while ago. Stuff to make the sandwich. So we have bread, Black Forest ham, some lettuce blends, 2 soups for with the sandwich. We have the mac and cheese from Panera and then the creamy tomato bisque, of course. Greek dressing for the sandwich, garlic parmesan aioli, a red onion, provolone cheese, and pepperoni, as well as banana peppers or pepperoncinis. Okay, this is what I'm actually really excited about. We've been getting on the poppy grind. They're actually really good. Like, I hate to admit it. Got strawberry lemon because I really liked that one last time. I think we got a couple of those. I'm getting classic cola because I have yet to try it. Doc Pop is one of our favorites. It's so good. It tastes just like Dr. Pepper. Lemon lime, I haven't had it yet. I'm gonna try it. I'm really excited for this one. It's cherry limeade. That's like my probably all-time favorite drink combination is cherry limeade. This is our little mini grocery haul. I'm gonna put the stuff away and then also start making the sandwiches. Trevor's mom brought us literally homemade cinnamon rolls. They look amazing. I'm also watching Trevor's stream.
Yes.
And I'm going to gobble down on these. Okay, hi guys. I just took a shower. I feel so much better. A shower always is gonna just help me tremendously. Not that I was feeling that bad before, but I just feel like I needed that cleansing, that energy renewal. I also did so much skincare and used like a little face roller tool, so my face is all greased up. In bed now. I'm still watching Trevor stream Becoming My Tail. I'm gonna journal a little bit and I'm gonna read this new book because my co-star, let me show you guys. My co-star literally says, start a new book today. So I'm gonna start this book. Do a little taking notes on it. So I'll let you guys know how it is.